Hello everyone. So in this tutorial, we are quickly going to see how we can update a HTML DOM by using JavaScript. It is actually very simple. I have already write some HTML code here, as you can see. So there is one input box and one submit button. And so uh, yeah, you have already guessed it. What we are going to do is whenever somebody types his name or something here and hit the submit button, it should appear on this question mark at in place of this question mark. So let's achieve this. Okay, so let's go to the Sublime code editor. Yes. So here we have input. It has ID name and a submit button. So as you can see, I have already attached an update DOM function. You can name it anything you want. I have used update DOM on click attribute. So whenever somebody clicks on this submit button, this submit button, it will execute this update DOM function. It's as simple as that. So let's verify it. I will first write a console message and see whether it's working or not. Okay, let's refresh the page. All right, and hit the button. So I am seeing this message here. Yeah, so message is printed in console now. All right, that means it's working. Now it's time to do the real code. All right, so let's understand it simply. Whenever somebody types something here, first of all, I have to store that value in some variable, and then I have to just simply print out here in this question mark, at this place of this question mark. How will I achieve it? So let's store the variable inside the value inside the variable. So I'm taking let name equal to, and the way you can get value from any input element, it's there are many ways. I'm using this get element by id method. So it's a document dot get element by id, and inside this parenthesis I have to pass the id of that element. It can be any element or any id from which you want to take its value or something. So make sure that the sentence the spelling is exactly same as it is, because the JavaScript is a case sensitive language, as you already know. And value. So now I have the value of this name. Now I want to check whether the value is empty or not. So I will write simple if name dot length. This will give me a length of the input value. So if it's 0, that means it's empty. I don't want to print anything. So, and then else I want to print something, I mean the name. So how I print to the DOM is also very simple. I'll just need to write document dot get element by id, and in this time, because I want to print the result in this span result, I will select this result. I will pass the result id here, and then dot inner html method equals to the name. But as you know, in this block, in this if section, I don't want to print anything. So I will just maybe I can do this, or and name here. So that's it. So if the name is empty, don't do anything, or just print question mark. And if it is not empty, then print out the name. So let's see how it works. I'll close this. Dwarkesh. Oh, I have to refresh the page. Yes. Now Dwarkesh and hit the submit. Yeah, so it's work. And if I just simply submit blank, it will give me the question marks. So there are many ways, many optimized ways to do this, but here just to simply give you a quick demonstration of how to update the DOM using JavaScript, I use this way. Thank you.